I'm going to show you how to make a super bouncy ball that bounces up to 10 feet high from loom bands. Loom bands are rubber bands that are used in craft for making jewelry, earrings, bracelets, etc. So these are the loom bands I'm using. You can use colorful loom bands so your ball will look better. Start off by taking 3 loom bands for the center of your ball. Pick them up and put them on your index finger and roll them over each other. Then remove them and you will get a sort of a knot. Hold it tight and take another loom band and then tie a knot. Wrap it. Continue the process of wrapping till you get the shape of a sphere. Just wrap and wrap. Wrap in every direction so that you get the perfect shape. See, my ball shape is ready and I just refilled the loom bands. I've got the sphere. I'm just gonna add more loom bands so that I get more bounce. Note, a very important point, the more number of loom bands you add, the more bouncy your ball becomes. More loom bands. Now, my ball is ready. If you want more bounce, add more loom bands. This bounce is enough for me. Slow motion video, guys. Whoa.